PixVerse is an innovative AI platform that leverages powerful generative AI to unlock the full potential of video production, and it released a new model, V5. So first you go on PixVerse.ai. After signing up you come to this page here. Here you have an overview about the tool. On the bottom here you have some community results. Here you have the full feature set with all settings and effects. If you look at the image or text, we have the panel where you can generate multiple videos at once. You have the off-pick mode to save credits to 50%, but the generation will be a bit slower. You have the adjustments at the duration, the resolution, we take 1080p here, the ratio of the video. You can add auto sounds, you can add speech to the video. You can choose a style like a 3D animation or something else. And the most important thing, the new V5 model. They not only optimize the motion performance on the V5 model, you have Ultra HD visual quality, the consistency is even better than before, and the coolest thing I think is the optimized generation speed. You can generate videos in just 5 seconds, which is amazing. PixVerse is also in the top placement of the image to video leaderboard here, very nice. So let's try the text to video feature. We have this prompt here of a modern house on a cliff. A planet is visible at the sky. We let all settings on default here. We use the V5 model and we hit create. And as you can see, the result is just amazing. High quality, no deformation, the motion is good, awesome. Another example, a marathon sprinter on a street in a city, and the motion is just awesome. It's astonishing how PixVerse can create such videos just from a text. Awesome. Now we look at the image to video feature. So we uploaded the image of a car drifting on a street in a mountain scenery. We enter the prompt, a car drifting on a street in a mountain scenery. Again, we let all settings on default here. The generation speed was like under a minute for this one. High realistic, the motion is just perfect. PixVerse does a great job, very nice. Here another example, a woman looking out of a bus. A more atmospheric one, a cat sitting on a couch, standing up. The details are very great. Something else here, a 3D animation, a gnome in front of his house. Again, the motion perfect. Two friends drinking a coffee in a bar. Realistic situation, high quality, no deformation. Awesome. Next we try the template feature. Let's try the I zoom challenge here. We uploaded the image of a woman and we hit create. As you can see, exactly that what we wanted. Awesome. Another example, the Earth zoom challenge here. Also great. 3D figurine factory. Very nice, high quality, nice. There is also an extend feature with the new V5 model. We have our drifting car here. We describe it. Car drifting on a street in a mountain scenery. So he will take the video and extend it at the last frame. We hit create. On the left, original one. On the right, the extended one. And as you can see, awesome. To the pricing of PixVerse, there's currently a discount here. You can choose a subscription plan here or buy credits only. At a free plan, you have credits to use. You have 2 free trials for the templates and fast generations. On the paid subscriptions, there is Standard, Pro, Premium and Enterprise for teams. On the different plans, you have credits, you have watermarked free outputs, unlimited access to the templates and high HD resolutions. You can also generate multiple videos at once with a subscription here. Very nice. As usual, if you liked PixVerse, just try it. See you in the next one.